Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. So a couple days ago, I got a phone call from a freight company saying that there was a lot of something coming. And all they told me that they knew was that it was said on the shipping bill, dry food, and it was 400 pounds. Well, as you can see here, it was 400 pounds on a pallet, and that's a lot of stuff. Well, it was noodles. And today, I'm going to unbox all of these noodles. This is like one of the craziest things that's ever happened. It's a lot of noodles. And the trouble is I live in a small apartment, so I've got to get this taken care of quick because, I mean, it's a lot of noodles. This is going to be for an upcoming meet the manufacturer with a company called Sao in Hong Kong. And they air freighted this over here. And yeah, I got it yesterday, and yeah, so let's start cracking them open and seeing what's inside. Alright, so first off, we've got a big box of laksa flavor ho fan noodle. Next up, here's what they're calling sliced noodles. Here we have Taiwanese style sliced noodles. These are pepper and sesame, shallot and chili, curry lobster flavor noodles, handmade Amoy flour vermicelli, Shanghai noodle, cream noodle, never heard of that before, and Beijing noodle, scallop and chicken soup flavor, abalone soup flavor. Oh yeah, and they sent like 8 of these big, what is this called? Abalone noodle, big containers. Ho fan beef soup flavor. Ho fan, I think those are the really wide noodles. And here's some Ho fan laksa. There's of these last two, there's 8 of them in each box. Tom Yum flavor trolley noodles, that's interesting. And laksa flavor trolley noodles. One's called fresh egg noodle. Some Taiwanese style dry noodle. Tom Yum sliced noodle. Hot and sour sliced noodle. Chunchow rice vermicelli, this is abalone flavor. And this is laksa rice vermicelli. QQ rice vermicelli. Tom Yum Ho fan abalone chicken. Ho fan pork rib soup flavor. Instant noodle king abalone chicken flavor. Tom Yum non-fried instant noodles, laksa flavor sliced noodles, Ho fan vermicelli, scallop noodle, Japanese fresh noodle. Looks like just a different size package of the scallop noodle. A really, really heavy bag of Chinese noodle, some buckwheat noodles, thin egg noodles, Taiwanese style noodles, chicken abalone flavor Szechuan noodle, spicy jangnan noodle, spicy seafood noodle, wonton flavored trolley noodle, beef soup flavored trolley noodle, mushroom flavor Szechuan spicy noodle, pork bone flavor spicy noodle, laksa flavor noodle, Tom Yum flavor noodle. By the way, this is number 1 on my top 10 Hong Kong list. XO shallot sauce jangnan style noodle. Hot and sour flavor ramen. XO shallot sauce dried mix rice vermicelli. XO sauce rice vermicelli. Hot and sour soup flavor rice vermicelli. Tom Yum sliced noodle, Noodle King lobster soup flavored noodle, shrimp egg noodle, pork and pickled mustard rice vermicelli, that sounds good, Tom Yum rice vermicelli, and ladies and gentlemen, we have the last box. Tom Yum instant noodle and abalone chicken QQ noodle. So what I had to do is I had to go through all of these boxes just like you just saw me do it. This is the first time I've gone through them all, and I have nowhere I can store all this stuff. So I'm sharing it with friends, and I'm going to give a lot to local charity. I'm going to hang on some of them, like if it's a 4-pack, I'll keep one of those to do the review. If they're the smaller packs, I'll grab 2 of them. And that's about it. So, yeah, this has been really interesting. Thank you to the folks over at Sun Shun Fuk for sending these over. Their brands are Sao Tao and Noodle King. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.